In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight NAP-NA errors in Google Sheets. These errors often indicate missing data or formulas that aren't returning the expected results, so being able to spot them quickly is immensely helpful. Our goal today is to set up conditional formatting that highlights these errors, making them pop out visually so you can address them effectively. Firstly, make sure you have your Google Sheet open and ready with the data you want to work on. It's crucial to start with the correct spreadsheet, as this will ensure the instructions are applicable and clear to follow. If you're not familiar with the current layout of your data, take a moment to review it so that you understand where these errors might be appearing. Now, let's dive into setting up the conditional formatting. Start by selecting the specific range of cells where you anticipate NA errors might occur. This could be a single column, multiple columns, or even the entire sheet depending on your needs. Selecting the appropriate range is critical here, since it tells Google Sheets exactly where to apply the conditional formatting. Next, go to the Format menu situated at the top of your screen and click on it. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Conditional Formatting. Go ahead and select it. This action will bring up the Conditional Format Rules pane on the right-hand side of your screen, which is where we'll input our specific conditions. In the Format Cells If drop-down menu, choose the Custom Formula as option. This allows you to apply a formula that identifies specific conditions, in our case, NA errors. In the next field that appears, enter the formula equal isna A1, but replace A1 with the top left cell of your selected range. This formula essentially tells Google Sheets to look through the selected cells and identify any that give an #NA result. Once you've entered the formula, it's time to set how these errors should be visually highlighted. Below the formula box, you'll find formatting styles like text color, fill color, and more. Choose a formatting style that visibly stands out from the rest of your data. A bright fill color, such as red or yellow, is often a great choice because it's highly noticeable. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Done to apply the rule. Google Sheets will now automatically apply this formatting to any cell within your selected range that contains an NA error. If everything looks good, you should see those pesky errors brightly highlighted, allowing you to focus on resolving them easily. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up conditional formatting to highlight NA errors in Google Sheets, helping to streamline your data management process. Remember, the key here is understanding your data range and customizing your rules for your specific needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheeting.